Okay, so if you look at this guy, he has around 350k followers, and the channel also looks like pretty nice. But if we go to his coaching link, which is given right here, it leads us to this page, and it's just an entire form with some client testimonials and just this. This is the actual copy written for the coaching program or coaching service, whatever he has. And this is the thing that I don't like about these businesses, that they don't really like they put so much effort into their body, their nutrition, and all those kind of things. But when they want to teach it, they don't put in the same amount of effort to make sure that people actually realize how valuable it is, right? So even so, this is supposed to be a sales pitch, but other than the client testimonial part, he has done nothing right. And even the start of the page, you can see there's no prominent headline. Nobody wants to read these small text because they are just not attractive to the eye. If you go and look at someone who is more famous in the niche, and they are just more, you can say, experienced with all that. They haven't gone for this route, and they have made a, if we look at the example of Jeff Nippert, he has this kind of page on his, and even if you look at this is just one of his products, like for example an ebook or whatever program it is. So this is just one of his programs, and even in this he has written this much, like these are some new things which basically are saying like here's why you should buy mine and not the others. And then there's this, there's so much thing, and then there's client testimonials right here. So even with one of his program, it's better than that guy's main service. And this is not even probably not his main coaching program. This is just a side thing. Same thing with this guy. This is Greg Doucette. Anybody who knows fitness knows Greg Doucette. And even with this, he has done a similar thing to Jeff Nippert, that he has written all of this, but it is more like an Amazon type of product, like add to your cart and stuff like that. You can see it right here. And even him, he has followed all the basic concepts of copy, but he has done it way better and in a more precise way than compared to this guy. So that's what I think, that if he wanted to improve it, he could have hired someone to write an entire sales pitch, and I'm sure he will see a lot of growth in his coaching program.